Today's Fusion 360 moment is how to use the Revolve tool. First off, you want to create your square. I normally do 50 by 50, but you can do whatever. Then you want to click on the tool and select the face or like an edge. Just it's easier to use face. And you want to select on the axis, and you have to do one of these lines instead of one of those panels. I don't know why, it's just how they did it. And then you see it cuts out part of the circle from the square, or you can make it join, you can make it cut, you can make them intersect so it like kind of inverses the cutting, and it makes the part it makes it like a quarter of the circle for the square. Um, so that's just the first little bit. There's a lot of cool things to do with this tool. Um, you can also let me reset it up. You can also go and mess with the angle. So it's 360. You can make it like 270. So you gotta do some other stuff to get it to really work. So what you do is you drag on that little blue arrow, but you can also set it to be full or partial. So you can also drag on the arrow. That is like how full of a circle do you want it to be. You can also use it to cut out portions of it, the square, in like a circular thing. So this is a really useful tool. Um, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Fusion 360 moment of the day. And thank you for watching. Hope you learned something.